Hello student, today we are going to learn class 10th science. Today's our topic is lesson number 1 chemical reaction and equation. Students, consider the following situation of daily life and think what happened when. First, milk is left at room temperature during summer season. Second, iron tawa is left exposed to humid atmosphere. Third, grapes gets fermented and food is cooked. In all the above situation, the nature and the identity of initial substance have changed. We have already learned about physical and chemical changes of matter in our previous classes. Whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. So, the chemical reaction is defined as it is a process in which one or more substance form new substance, and it cannot be reversed by any physical method. For example, magnetism, filtration, centrifugation, distillation, evaporation, etc. Students, every chemical reaction shows some special characters like change in state of matter, change in color, change in temperature, and evolution of gas. Student, in every chemical reaction, some substance are participate and some are produced. The substance who take part in chemical reactions are called reactant, and the substance which are formed after the reaction is called product. For example, when magnesium burn in air gives magnesium oxide. In this reaction, magnesium burn and air is a reactant and magnesium oxide is a product. Chemical equation. A chemical reaction can be represented by chemical equation. It involves uses of symbol of substance, of reactant and product with mention of physical state of reactant and product. This physical state means solid, liquid, gas or aqueous condition. This is the state of matter. For example, magnesium burn in air to give magnesium oxide. In this reaction, magnesium is a solid state, oxygen in gaseous state and magnesium oxide also in gaseous state. Types of chemical reaction. There are 5 types of chemical reaction. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. Fourth, double displacement reaction. And fifth, oxidation and reduction. First, combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more than two reactants combine and form a single product is called combination reaction. For example, A and B, two different reactants combine and form AB, a single product. Other example is first, burning of coal. Coal burn at room temperature in the presence of oxygen and form carbon dioxide. In this reaction, carbon and oxygen combine and form carbon dioxide, a single product. Similarly, formation of water. When hydrogen gas and oxygen gas combine and form water. Second, decomposition reaction. In these types of reaction, a compound is split into two or more than two substances is called decomposition reaction. For example, A is a reactant which are decomposed B and C, two different product. Decomposition reactions are many types. First, thermal decomposition, electrolytic decomposition, and photolytic decomposition. Thermal decomposition. When decomposition reaction is carried out by heating is called thermal decomposition reaction. For example, on heating calcium carbonate, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Electrolytic decomposition. When decomposition reaction is carried out by passing electricity are called electrolytic decomposition. For example, electrolysis of water. Photolytic decomposition. When decomposition reaction is carried out in the presence of sunlight is called photolytic decomposition. For example, silver chloride decompose into silver displacement reaction. The reaction in which more reactive element displace less reactive element from its salt solution, or the reaction in which highly reactive metals displace less reactive metal from its salt solution are called displacement reaction. For example, iron nail dipped in aqueous solution of copper sulfate, the color of copper sulfate solution are fade due to the formation of ferrous sulfate. In above reaction, iron metal displace copper metal from copper sulfate solution. Hence, iron is more reactive than copper. Double displacement reaction. A reaction in which new compounds are formed by the mutual exchange of ions between two compounds are called double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction also called ion exchange reaction. For example, the reaction between aqueous sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution, then barium sulfate and sodium chloride is obtained. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation. Oxidation is the addition of oxygen to substance and the removal of hydrogen from a substance. For example, copper react with oxygen and form copper oxide. Reduction, the addition of hydrogen to a substance and the removal of oxygen from substance. For example, copper oxide react with hydrogen and form copper and water. Chemical reaction also classified on the basis of temperature. On the basis of temperature, chemical reaction are classified into two categories: exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. First, exothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is released along with formation of product are called exothermic reaction. For example, burning of natural gas. Natural gas methane burn in the presence of oxygen, then carbon dioxide and water is formed. Endothermic reaction. The reaction in which requires energy in form of heat, light and electricity are called endothermic reaction. For example, photosynthesis process. Effect of oxidation in daily life. In our daily life, effect of many examples present in effect of oxidation process. First, corrosion. When a metal is exposed to substance such as moisture, air, water, acid, etc., for some times a layer of oxide is formed which weakens the metal, hence metal said to be corrode. For example, rusting of iron, black coating on silver metal, green coating on copper metal, etc. Rancidity. The oxidation of fats and oil when exposed to air is known as rancidity. It leads to bad smell and weird taste of food. Thank you, student.